Have you ever heard of RigoHR? If you're an HR professional, you probably have. You might know us as an HR and payroll software. Maybe you've seen our product, or maybe you've attended one of our sessions. But what you may not know is what it really took to get here. This year wasn't about features, it was about transformation. Not just for our product, but for every organization trying to manage people better. We rebuilt from the foundation. We moved deeper into the cloud-native architecture so the system scales as businesses grow, updates faster, and never stops. We strengthened security so your data stays protected and your confidence is never compromised. We made RigoHR ready for the world. We are no longer limited by one country, one format, one time zone. And then we evolved the experience. We didn't just build features, we solved real problems. Understanding how employees truly feel with pulse survey, upskilling teams with training, empowering leaders with executive intelligence, tracking real work with daily work logs. And we made everything faster, smoother, simpler. But the real story isn't in the software, it's in the people using it.
With the implementation of RigoHR, it has further strengthened our HR operations from recruitment to retirement.
We are using Rigo software for last decade because it is so easy to use and it has end-to-end solutions.
एकजना सीए देखे पेरोलमा हुने गल्ती र बनाइदिए नेपालकै लिडिङ एचआर प्लेटफर्म।
सो उनीहरूले युज गर्ने सफ्टवेयर चाहिँ चेन्ज गर्ने समय भइसक्यो। ल चेक आउट RigoHR भन्ने सफ्टवेयर।
Every feedback, every success story became our reason to push further. We didn't just build a product, we built a community. From partnering with HR leaders to support knowledge sharing sessions across Nepal, from HR talks to national platforms like Mass IT Expo and FinTech Expo, we showed up, not to sell, but to contribute. And behind everything, there was a team. Late nights, big wins, small celebrations. Moments that don't go on reports, but define everything we are. And these achievements, they're not mine, they're ours. And this is just the beginning. 2083 is not about maintaining, it's about scaling. Beyond boundaries, beyond Nepal. With smarter systems, with AI, with a bigger vision. To help organizations build healthier and happier workplaces. To everyone who believed in us, our clients, our partners, our team, thank you for being a part of this journey. Together, we're not just building a software, we're redefining HR.